I wanna live, I wanna give. I've been mining for the heart of gold, and these expressions I'll never let got me looking for the heart of gold, and I'm getting on. Hey, I'm Vasco, and today I'll show you how I'm playing Heart of Gold by Neil Young. We'll be doing it in the original key on a high G string ukulele, and if you want to play with a harmonica, you need the harmonica to be in G, right? So grab your high G and let's see how to play this one. Okay, so throughout the song we have just a few parts. It starts with the intro before the harmonica solo, which goes like this: E minor, down strums like this, 1, 2, 3, pa, 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 and then D, E minor. So the D chord is coming just for a little bit, right? You can grab it like this or like this, whichever is easier for you, right? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So we are repeating this 2 times, and then we start the harmonica solo, which goes like this: E minor to C to B to G, and we are repeating this 3 times. And here we ended with the same thing as the intro, but just once. Right? Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. That's what I'm doing. And then we start the verse, which is with the same thing as the harmonica solo, the first part. I wanna live, I wanna give. I've been looking for the heart of gold, and these expressions I never leave. And here is the different part. We play E minor. Got me looking for the G, heart of gold. And here we have C. And I'm sliding here from 3rd to the 7th fret. And then 7, 5, 3 to G. Right? Got me looking for the heart of gold, and I'm getting old. And we're going between the verse and the harmonica solo a bunch of times, and at the end, after the last harmonica solo, we enter the outro, which is basically the same as the intro, but it ends like the verse, right? Keep me searching for the heart of gold. Keep me searching for the heart of gold. Got me looking for the heart of gold. Got me looking for the heart of gold. And I'm getting on. And this is how you finish the song. Well, it will be very helpful if you have the printable in front of you. You can get it from the link in the description. Thank you very much for watching, liking, subscribing. It's really appreciated. I hope you learned with me, and I wish you a really, really good day. Goodbye.